Professors like Michelle work hard to craft engaging and instructive lectures, but over the years, she's watched as more and more distractions trickle into the classroom, competing for her students' eyes, ears, and attention. Look familiar? Like many instructors, Michelle has struggled to win back her students' interest with clickers and other interactive devices. But while they've helped students participate more, these tools are far from perfect. Not only can they be expensive, they're often unreliable and create extra work for educators. As Michelle quickly learned, students were taking advantage of loopholes in the technology that let them skip lectures and still be counted. Class time was wasted due to glitches that needed troubleshooting on the spot, and a lack of integration with her LMS meant Michelle was spending more of her free time manually entering test results. Then a colleague introduced her to Great River Learning's class engagement tool for both online and face-to-face courses. A more cost-effective, reliable, and secure alternative to other options on the market, it helped her take back control of her classroom and maintain open lines of communication with students. GRL's class engagement tool instantly transforms any smart device into a multi-purpose classroom companion that lets students follow along with lecture slides and track their retention as they go. It even lets Michelle capture her entire presentation or add audio and video to individual slides, so when class is over, her students have another chance to engage with the lecture and process challenging information at their own pace. GRL's class engagement tool has all the functionalities you've come to expect from a classroom app, from comprehension checks to live quizzes, thought-provoking class polls, opportunities to ask real questions in real time, and more. For professors like Michelle, the tool lets her track attendance more accurately by leveraging a combination of GPS technology and Wi-Fi, which captures a smaller radius. It closes the loopholes that let students sign in when they're not present. And since the tool automatically uploads her attendance records, quiz grades, and poll results into her LMS, she now has more time to focus her efforts on creating compelling, inspiring lessons. For Michelle, using GRL's class engagement tool means she gets better feedback to track her students' progress and make her lecture time count. So when she looks out into her class, she's met with a full room of open eyes and attentive students ready to learn and engage.